Steve Byers is one of a growing number of Florida beekeepers.
We're open on the weekends. We call it honey pickup.
So every weekend you've got strangers that come in? Well, not strangers anymore because they're friends.
Yeah, we make friends with them.
We make friends.
And then we allow them in, yeah.
That's very cool. So they come back here and they pick whatever bottles they want. So like people know you, you're the bee guy. So if I can't show up at your abode, right? Where can I get it?
You can buy it online.
Okay, let's harvest some honey together.
For you, sure.
Thank you, Steve.
This is actually a Florida bee suit. It's breathable, and it's like putting on your old-fashioned pajamas.
Oh, if the bee thing doesn't work out, we could actually do a little boy group, a little boy band if we're going in.
Yes.
Let's go. Show me the way.
Let's go do it.
All right.
All right.
We're gonna disarm a beehive.
All right.
Let's do this. Anybody ever ridden like this before? First time, right?
Yeah, that's a first for sure.
This is crazy.
Right before a honey pickup, I'll harvest this. Now, I tell you, this is awesome.
I'm as freaked out as a man can be right now.
So let's look at the next frame. Wow, another great frame. That's
yeah.
Now there's still some glistening honey here, so I might let them take some more time to finish creating the honey. This is the money frame right here.
Yeah.
This has got lots of honey. Just a little bit that they haven't started yet here, but we're going to make the best of this. Let's take some of this in and we can harvest it.
Let's do that.
Unless you have any more questions
no,
for the bees.
I'm good. I think the bees and I have met. We are well acquainted, and we're all ready, good to go.
All right.
Well,
did you trade email addresses?
we're going to stay in touch from a distance. It's going to be a long distance relationship. That was terrifying, right? It's terrifying the first time you do it.
To me, it's the most peaceful part of my day.
Well, you're a different man than me. And do I get to try some of this?
We do.
No doctoring.
No doctoring. That's raw honey right there. Go for it.
All right. Wow, fantastic.